Today we're going to learn about multiplication and division of algebraic fractions. Okay, so the procedure for the multiplication and division of algebraic fractions is similar to that of the multiplication and division of numerical fractions, except that we now have to consider the variables. Primary school, we have learned that 1 over 2 times 3 over 5 equals to 1 times 3 over 2 times 5. Of course, now, in general, when we multiply C over D by A over B, so this time we replace the number with variables. Yeah, it'll be also the same thing. So that will be, look at that thing in the box, A over B times C over D. So that will be A times C over B times D, which is AC over BD. When you times variables, when you multiply variables, yeah, you just attach them together, right? Okay. In primary school, we have learned that 2 over 3 divided by 4 over 5 is 2 over 3 times 5 over 4. Yeah, when you divide by a fraction, it's the same thing as you multiply by the fraction upside down. Okay, so A over D, look at the inside box, over A over B divided by C over D, that will be A over B times D over C, right, which is AD over BC. Okay, look at the question. Simplify each of the following. AB over C squared times 4C over 6A squared B. Now look at what we can do here. A and A, we can cross them. Cancel. So the A here gone, while the A here is there's only one A left, right? A and A squared, right? When you cancel the A, this one will be gone. This one will become just A. That's why the answer only have A to the power of 1, just A. For B, cancel out also. For C, yeah, we have one C to the power of 1 here, and C to the power of 2 here. That's why you still have one C at the denominator. And then lastly, the 4 and and 6, you can cancel them also, become 2 and 3, so 2 over 3. Yeah, it's just like simplifying fractions, right? So simplifying multiplication of fractions. So before you actually times it one by one, like AB times 4C over C squared times, before you times it, make sure you cancel all the things that you can, to make it simpler. Number B, so the question is P over Q times P square R over Q square divided by PR square over 2Q. So that the last one will be times 2Q over PR square, right? Upside down. Here, right, and then we can start cancelling those that we can do. P and P, and then P square here just remain P square, right? No more P's here. Q and Q also we can cancel out. You have Q square only here. What else? R and R square, so you will have only R to the power of 1, and then 2, yeah, just 2. That's it. Easy, right? Number C. 4x minus 16 over x plus y divided by 8 over 5x plus 5y. Yeah, again, division. Turn it into multiplication. Flip this upside down. Here. From here to here. And then, oh, they both have x plus y after you pull out the 5 from the 5x plus 5y. Yeah, this is just one form of factorization, right? Yeah. Okay. So the 4 and 8 here you can also cancel. So you have 2 here. So x minus 4, you cannot do anything about it. So that will mean x minus 4 times 5 over 2. Yeah, like this. So you write the 5 first, yeah. So the constant you always write first, and then the bracket. And then lastly, this one. Yeah. So to be able to cancel, you have to factorize this first. Yeah. That's the reason why you learn factorization in the previous chapter. Yeah, so you can factorize like this, pull out common factors, or you can factorize like this. Still remember doing the bracket thingy? Yeah, so h squared minus 2h plus 1, when you factorize it, you will get h minus 1 times h minus 1, which is h minus 1 square, which when you cancel with this h minus 1 cube, you will have what h minus 1 to the power of 1 remaining in the numerator. So that will be h times h minus 1, bracket there, over 2h plus 1 now. Notice you cannot cancel this h, or even this h. You can't, because we have addition. Because this is an addition form, we have plus here. So you can't. Yeah. So this is the final answer. Okay, I think that's it for today's lesson, which is multiplication and division of algebraic fraction. Bye bye.